Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So as you can see over here, we have started with the character modeling over here. So we'll continue over here further. So now what I can do over here is like, I'll just remove the nub toggle over here. So let's just remove the nub toggle over here and I'll go into the swift loop over here and I'll add one swift loop over here. After adding this, you can see that it's going to give me a bit of a sharp edge over here. So I'll just off this. So we'll be doing some kind of tweakings over here. So let's go into the vertices and let's adjust this vertices for the back part. So we are still in the blocking mode. Let's adjust this vertices and let's go into this and give a symmetry over here. Again, go into the vertex. Let's just adjust all of this vertices. We'll go into the swift loop and I'll add one swift loop over here. Slightly push this a bit inside, adjust this. So definitely takes more time if you want to generate some details. So as you can see over here, we have extruded the palm from the same model. So let's just zoom this. Okay, slightly adjust this. Going to the edges, we can tweak this edges slightly. We can just push this out, select this edges. So you can press Ctrl and select this edges. So we are not going with much detailing for now. Alright, now let's again go into the front view and we'll create a neck area. So what can we do over here is like, select the polygons. Let's select this top polygons over here. Again, I'll go into the vertices. Slightly I'll push it a bit inside and again I'll select this. So before that, I'll go into the symmetry and I'll delete the symmetry modifier. I'll just extrude it. So you can model the face from a different reference also. Also, you can model it right from here. So I can just slightly again extrude this up over here. So go into the vertices and adjust this in this way. Alright. So again go into this polygons and let's delete this polygons over here. Select the top polygons over here. and let's extrude this up. Extrude this up. Make it straight. Press R. Again extrude it up. So I can go into the front view and I can easily adjust this towards the face region. So if you look at it closely over here, I'm just blocking the face. I'm not going with more details. So again, shift this. Let's save the file. So put one loop over here. Shuffle this down. So even if you feel right now that this is not accurate matching the reference, so no worries, we can do that later on. So first just put a bit of loops, not much. So as you can see over here that we have done a bit of blocking over here. So go into this polygons and let's just delete this polygons over here and let's give a symmetry modifier. So I'll go into symmetry. So go into the vertices again and we can just slightly adjust it. So definitely we'll be doing the detailing part. Shuffle it a bit inside over here. So this is what your neck area is going to look like. So we need to adjust this. Slightly push it inside. Okay. So the neck region is too big. So I'll off the symmetry part. I'll double click it. I'll make it more straight. I'll slightly push it a bit inside and I'll activate the symmetry part. So I'll go into the edge again. That's it. Now looks much better. So again go into the vertices. As I told you, we are doing the blocking. So let's see how it looks like once you make it a nubs toggle. Better. This looks really good now. So make sure you adjust it properly, all these elements. So we'll be detailing the eyes and the nose part. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So as you can see, this is a symmetry. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So we'll be modeling the eyes and the nose and the lips part. So thanks for watching this tutorial.